guys, so me and Lucas wanted to play some Off-Road Outlaws because we couldn't yesterday. Lucas, tell them what we're going to be doing.
Show truck meet.
So he does not know what I've built this morning. Well, you all have seen what I built last night. Do you want to bring show trucks or squatted?
No.
Okay, I have a squatted show truck though. Wait, I know what to do. Do you have 2 trucks?
No.
Okay, guys. So I'll cut it till when we get to the truck meet. Okay, so I just left me and Lucas is getting some money, correct?
Yeah.
We ain't with each other right now. We're kind of just talking to each other through the phone. You know? So Lucas has no idea like what I'm bringing on my trailer. Okay guys, so I was like parking my truck over there, and I seen this parking lot, so I was like, oh yeah, that's gonna be sick.
I'm building me a motorcycle right now, but it's not.
Okay, what kind?
It's a Ford Ranger.
Now that, you know what you should do? If it was me, I'd make it. You don't have to do it. I'm saying I'd probably do like a white and dark blue. You know?
I'm making black and a white.
Oh, that's gonna look like that clown mask everybody uses at Halloween. I like that, don't you?
What?
You know that clown mask that everybody uses at Halloween?
Yeah.
Is that what you're trying to base it off of?
No.
So like when we get in, so just like kind of pull your trailer like behind mine, if you know. Oh yeah, I forgot. Wait, are you bringing both of your show trucks?
No, I'm not done with mine yet.
I know, but like when you get in. Yeah, cause me.
Bringing mine. My big.
Oh yeah. So yeah, Lucas has a really big truck, and he had it drag for a little bit here. We should keep our lights on. Only thing Off-Road Outlaws needs is rock lights and to fix the bugs, so it's like how your rims glitch out. Do you agree?
Yeah, what's the code?
9762. Is it working? If you don't know 10, 11, and 13 in the comments, tell me down below. Lucas, do you like that sound? Huh?
No.
Don't like that sound?
No.
Oh yeah. I think 97 62.
Not working.
Can you host something?
Yeah.
Wait, I know what to do.
I know what to do.
Okay guys, I'll catch you back when we get something figured, okay? Peace out.
83, 84.
Okay, so 83, 84.
Yeah.
It ain't working.
God, I hate Off-Road Outlaws.
Temporarily. Yeah, wait, we can just play multiplayer.
Oh, that don't work. It wouldn't work.
But there's a map I know it will work on.
What?
Hunting map. Do the hunting and multiplayer. Man, I love this. If anybody's played this before, comment down below. Cause me and Lucas here gonna be rocking it, right or wrong.
What?
Or me and you gonna be rocking it. I'm gonna have to get me like the thumbnail for my video. Like in the second. What's it?
Hey, I'm loading in.
The hunting map?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you in?
Loading.
I don't know why I brought my shirt. I love. Do you like this map a lot? I like it for doing show things because I like the way it's built. Don't you?
How is it for like tow truck?
I don't know. I think it's a bad to the bone map. If anybody agrees with us, so so what you got? If you guys like to play Off-Road Outlaws, if you get this video to 100 likes, I'll get. I don't want to put Lucas' dad's name. I'll get Lucas' dad and my dad to play Off-Road Outlaws. Lucas, do you agree? If this video gets 100 likes, your dad will have to play on the channel and my dad will have to play on the channel. Do you agree?
No.
You don't want to do that? Too bad. So if you all can do it, if you all can get this up to 100 likes, I'll get them both to play. Okay, guys, so I'm just being retarded on the game right now. Like, it ain't, did it, wait, are you on my server?
No.
Sometimes we hate Off-Road Outlaws temporarily. Plus, Roblox is getting an update on mine, and trust me, my Roblox updates, they take forever. I'm gonna get the screenshot from my video, okay? Hold on, Lucas. Well, guys, I'll cut it when I get to the screenshot place. Okay, guys. So, what's your name on TikTok?
Why?
What is it?
I don't know.
Check real fast. Just do it. I'll cut the video. Well, if you see my boy on TikTok, please subscribe to him or follow him. I just don't use it no more. I have no use in it. But if you guys want to have a squatted truck meet, just tell me, and I'll figure out how to live stream without using YouTube, and we can bring squatted trucks. Lucas, if that end up happening, will you bring a squatted truck?
No. No.
Show trucks and squatted trucks. Deal?
Okay.
So, the only thing we do, the thing that we do, like, because what is something that we always do when we talk?
I don't know.
Bunches of stuff?
Huh?
Bunches of stuff?
Yeah.
Do you like the window tints on a Super Duty?
I don't know what.
Super Duty?
What's that?
The Ford, like what you have? Big one? Do you like the window tints when you tint on the headlights get blacked out?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna head on and get the screenshot. I'm gonna head on and get this for my you know, 10, linen, 13. I'm gonna make it pumpkin. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna head on and get the screenshot. Well, not right now, but you know. Okay, got that. So, but if you guys do want to have a squatted truck meet, just tell me and Lucas. He'll bring a show truck and I'll bring a squatted truck, and then we'll meet up. If you guys want me to build anybody's truck, just comment down below.
How you gonna do that?
Build anybody's truck?
Yeah.
Well, if they comment who it is, I'll be able to find them on YouTube. It only can be on YouTube because I don't know what y'all's trucks look like. Picture or something like that. But, I don't have anything they can send. I'll get Discord and then y'all can send me trucks and I'll put my Discord name out there. But Lucas won't be able to do it because his mic doesn't work, does it?
No.
If it did, would you?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna cut the video. Peace, guys. So, thanks for watching. Bye.